ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the launch of our flagship Nline model, the Hyundai CRETA N Line. Friends, imagine a vehicle that seamlessly blends the practicality of an SUV with the dynamic spirit of a performance car. That's precisely what the CRETA N Line personifies with its sporty and distinctive styling, performance-oriented powertrain, spirited driving dynamics, and cutting-edge technologies. The exceptionally strong product attributes of CRETA N Line are broadly classified under 4 key pillars: energizing exterior, engaging interior, enthusiastic performance, and enticing technology. Now, let me briefly take you through each of these pillars. CRETA N Line adorns a design language that is distinctive and trendy. It seamlessly blends performance with style to create an unmistakable sporty persona that makes a bold visual statement on every journey. The energetic and youthful design is characterized by the wide black grille with Nline logo, stylish skid plates, and bumpers with athletic red highlights. The horizon LED positioning lamps and DRLs, along with sequential indicators, not only elevate the high-tech appeal, but also impart a modern and distinctive look. Further, large 18 inches diamond-cut alloy wheels with N logo and red brake calipers proudly reveal the SUV performance pedigree. Now coming on to the rear, the athletic SUV design is complemented by the dynamic spoiler and sporty twin-tape muffler, enhancing the overall exterior appeal. Friends, motorsport-inspired aesthetics are carried over to interiors as well. It is a high-tech space where driving becomes an experience. The CRETA N Line features sporty all-black interiors with athletic and energetic red inserts. Step inside and you will immediately notice the exclusive N badging on leather seats, steering wheel, and gear knob, proudly flaunting the Nline's performance-inspired DNA. Ensuring utmost comfort for all the occupants, CRETA N Line offers generous legroom, knee room, and shoulder room. Furthermore, the red ambient lights and metal pedal make the interiors even more exciting. Now coming on to the most exciting part, enthusiastic performance. CRETA N Line is engineered with the performance enthusiast at its core. It comes with power-packed 1.5-liter turbo GDI petrol engine that generates enormous power of 160 PS and 253 Newton-meter of torque. It is also highly fuel efficient and offers fuel economy of over 18 kilometers per liter. The 1.5 turbo engine comes mated with a 7-speed DCT and 6-speed MT, which is exclusively offered for CRETA N Line. For a true motorsport experience, paddle shifters are offered with DCT delivering a faster response. The drive thrill is further heightened by the quick acceleration, propelling you from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 8.9 seconds. Further maximizing the engaging drive feel, CRETA N Line comes with drive modes and traction control modes tailored to cater individual driving preferences. That is not all. The spirited driving in CRETA N Line is perfectly complemented by 18-inch alloys along with suspension and steering setup precisely tuned for agile and confident driving dynamics. Redefining mobility experience, the CRETA N Line is packed with a host of smart and thoughtful convenience features. For an immersive user experience, Virtual Cockpit is equipped with seamlessly integrated curvilinear screens of infotainment and cluster. The state-of-the-art 10.25-inch digital cluster displays vital drive-related information such as tire pressure monitoring system, ADAS alerts, and blind view monitor. The highly intuitive and user-friendly digital cockpit is completed by 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment. Moreover, to make your journeys enjoyable, CRETA N Line also comes with dashcam with dual camera, Bose premium sound system, and JioSaavn music application. To empower the new-gen enthusiasts with progressive technology solutions, CRETA N Line comes with over 70 BlueLink connected car features and over-the-air updates for map and infotainment. The advanced connected car experience is further accentuated by 148 embedded voice commands that work even without internet, ensuring user a faster and uninterrupted response. Additionally, 62 English voice command complement the lifestyle of the new age buyers, and Alexa home-to-car voice commands allow you to control your CRETA N Line from comfort of your home. For premium user convenience, CRETA N Line comes with voice-enabled smart panoramic sunroof, 8-way power-adjustable driver seat, front ventilated seat, and dual-zone automatic climate control, thus elevating the premium quotient of the SUV. Friends, at Hyundai, customer safety is our priority. The strong body structure of CRETA N Line comes with the expansive application of advanced and high-strength steel along with hot stamping to achieve the high level of crashworthiness and durability. Continuing our mission, safety for all, CRETA N Line comes with 42 standard safety features, including 6 airbags, electric parking brake, ESC, VSM, to name a few. Further, CRETA N Line will be equipped with over 70 advanced safety features, including 360-degree surround view monitor, blind view monitor, front parking sensors, and many more. That is not all. CRETA N Line also comes with cutting-edge Level 2 ADAS system, Hyundai SmartSense. It intelligently uses automated sensing technologies such as cameras, radars, and sensors to proactively respond and mitigate any potential risk. The 19 ADAS features can be classified under driving safety, driving convenience, and parking safety, thus ensuring safety for all the occupants and pedestrians. Addressing the diverse taste of our young customers, CRETA N Line will be available in the range of 3 monotone color options, including new and exclusive Titan Grey Matte, and 3 dual-tone color options, including Thunder Blue with black roof. To summarize, CRETA N Line will take the ultimate SUV experience to the whole new dimension with its 30 sporty upgrades that includes distinctive styling, 18-inch alloys and red calipers, sporty all-black interiors, turbo petrol engine with 6-speed MT, to name a few. Friends, over the years, Hyundai cars have offered complete peace of mind with high durability, reliability, and trustworthiness. The CRETA N Line is offered with complimentary 3-year BlueLink subscription, 1-year Geo 7 Pro subscription, 16 over-the-air map and infotainment update, and 3 years unlimited kilometers warranty with roadside assistance. So friends, thank you for your attention, and get ready to unleash the power within you as we introduce this head-turning SUV, the Hyundai CRETA N Line, Live Unleashed. Thank you very much.
All of this comes at an attractive starting price of yes, 16,82,300 rupees. These prices are, of course, introductory for a limited period. So thank you all for joining us today. Have a wonderful evening ahead. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and subscribe the channel.